My mom had this white one as well.
Yeah. It was no big deal. Back then, really bad.
We had a lot of dirt roads and there was lots of fun.
Yeah, it was.
Never been there, but they say that.
But now I can't see what the great thing is.
This car belongs to you. One of my favorite cars.
They wanted to go up $85 a month on my memory.
All right, hi, I'm Kat with Atomic Motors, and I wanted to introduce John the Real McCoy.
How you guys doing?
Runs in our engine shop, the machine shop here at Atomic Motors, and he was going to tell you what he does.
It's all machine, this board, the rods are all sized, the pistons are hung on the rods. We put the motor together. Here we take great care in assembling our engines to the perfect spec. Even putting our freeze plugs all straight, just for professionalism and for quality work. Okay. This is 1973 Cleveland out of a 73 Mustang convertible. It's a matching numbered motor, so therefore the customer has to have the engine back, same one back. He doesn't want to exchange it for something else. That's basically why we're here, to do your engine so you get the same engine back. And in today's hot rod industry, you want to keep the same engine in your car that came in it. That way it's worth more money. So this is our Cleveland here. Right now it's in short block form. I'm not quite finished yet. I got to finish putting the cylinder heads I showed you earlier together, put them on here. Behind me though, we have a complete 318 Plymouth that we just finished up. We have 1963 Valiant convertible with a slant 6 in it, and we're getting ready to put that big boy in that car, which never came with that, and we're going to put with the 4-speed overdrive behind that. So that's going to be a really nice car for sale pretty soon. But yeah, this is the kind of work we put out. All these that we do here, they come in looking very bad. They go out looking just like that. Every one of them just like this right here. At Atomic Motor, we take great pride in machine work, and I take pride as John McCoy in doing my work.
My first car that I bought when I took on service, the first new car I ever bought was a 78 Camaro Z28 loaded.
Association, Chapter 41-1, Battleborn, here in Las Vegas. Color Guard Commander, present the colors.
Present colors.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Look a little different? A lot different.
To simulate the piston rods and all I just showed you, and then take these weights here and you clamp them on the crankshaft. Then you spin the crankshaft. I'll show you that machine next.